Good morning, I'm Chris Nasico with Irrigation Management. We're out here at a commercial property in Plymouth, Minnesota. And today we're going to install a flow sensor, the IQ module, and we're also going to put in a master control valve that was set off in case of an emergency. Okay, we've got everything excavated out. The FlowMax sensor is going to go in. We have to have at least 20 inches of straight pipe before and 10 inches of straight pipe after. We're installing a blowout port after the flow sensor because in the winter up here in Minnesota, we're going to have to blow out the system. We do not want to be running air through that flow sensor. At the end of the cycle, we'll be able to open up a drain inside and we can blow that little bit of air through the sensor at the end. We've also added a master valve so that if there's an emergency or there's an overflow issue, the master valve will immediately shut down the system, saving the customer a lot of water bills and also potential damage to the land speed.
Okay, now we have everything installed. We've got the flow sensor in. We've got our master valve. We're going to backfill everything, put accessible boxes on both of these points, and then we'll wire in our controllers. All right, so here's the finished product. We've got blowout port, master valve. And here we've got our flow sensor. We ran extra wire between the two. We've got it inside of a tube, so it's protected. Extra soil, they had some low valve boxes here, so we raised them up. Used the soil here to raise them up and seed them. So the project's finished.
So now after all the digging's done, we've got their flow sensors in. We've got our IQ card, which is installed in the backside of the controller. We now back in my office here. I've just pulled up the reports. I'm going to do all my programming here. I'm connecting it to a local weather station that's on site. Our next step now is we'll go through the flow sensor and start to detect flows for each additional zone. As easy as that.